What's up, guys? It's Darrell02. I just wanted to make a quick walkthrough for you guys so you can get infinite lockpicks and infinite money. You get one lockpick at a time and bits of money, but totally worth it once you get to the Hall of Heroes. But I already did the mission through the Hall of Heroes, and now I'm going to return to the Soldiers Field. I've already done this a few times, so we're going to leave the area. But I already came out here and there's a few guys to kill and stuff, but they don't respawn right here. There's two spots where the guys always respawn. See if I can make this a little better for you. There we go. So you come out here. And I just exited the Hall of Heroes, and I'm gonna go down here. There's a platform that has a few guys on it. You kill them, you can get some ammo and possibly money. I keep a carbine and the rocket launcher on me because this first area has two guys that have rocket launchers, and you pretty much just keep getting ammo from them. And carbine, you get refills here and there from guys. Oh, I don't want to go that way. Oh. Oh. So down here on this platform, there'll be a... Oh! Sorry. There'll be a flashback that you can spawn up. I'm just gonna run around and kill these guys. But you'll always get health, you'll always get salts going through here. Like the salt right on this table, it always respawns every time you go back and forth. And then this medical kit and the tear, they always respawn. So sometimes you get lucky and you don't get hurt at all, or sometimes you do, just goofing off. But this is a good spot just to re-up on your health. Jump up here, get the rocket launcher ammo, health and salts. That's right. So I'm going to continue down to the Soldiers Field. You always want to be on the right side of that booth to start, because there's a guy usually that spawns right up top there by the sign that you can take out first. But however you want to do it, you can jump down there, take them all out, or do what I do and just take them out from here. So that fireman right there in the back, he's the one that's going to keep giving you lockpicks. And he does respawn every time you do this glitch. But one good thing about keep getting the rocket ammo is you can take out that fireman in back there. Fairly easy. Just got an achievement. So, if you do what I did and just keep going back and forth on the rail, you can dismount. And the guys you kill down here, they'll usually have money and health. Like this guy right now, he's got money. And they always drop machine gun ammo. Usually the carbide ammo will be on them if you'd like to carry the carbide. Here's the fireman, and he always has a lockpick on him. Every time I've come back and forth, he's had a lockpick on him. Oh yeah, there we go. So once you clear these guys out and get all your gear, the unlimited money is with that possess thing on the vending machines. This vending machine here, it's right by the Voxophone place, but every time I've come back, you can possess it and get the money for it. You don't really want to go too far into the soldier's field because there will be a checkpoint, and then you kind of just ruin the glitch. And then last, I'm going to go to the tickets building. And inside on the left, there's the gift shop. There's another machine that you can possess. Sometimes it's hard to get the coins because they get in the carpet there, but you can crouch if you're having a hard time and pick them up. And check the cash registers too, because they'll always have money or food in them. Sometimes they don't have money in them. There's these ones back here. So you get about 100 plus each time you do this run through on money. I'm going to go upstairs in the ticket building, and then underneath one of the arcade machines, this always respawns as well. So once you've done that, you can run out here and jump off of here, get back up on the rail, and take it back all the way up to the Heroes Hall, or the Hall of Heroes. And once you get up here, go back into the hall. So that's pretty much it. Once you get back into the hall, you can turn back around or refill your salts if you need to at the salt refill machine that's in this room, and then just turn back around and repeat the whole process and just keep going back and forth. But that fireman will always have a lockpick for you, and then the vending machines, you can always possess them again, and then go to the cash registers, and they may or may not have money in them, but every time I've gone back, there's usually some or no money. But if you just keep repeating it, you'll get a lot of stuff and kind of help you out there. So I hope this video was helpful on infinite lockpicks and some money, and good hunting.